Starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most beneficent. Guys, in today's session we will learn that how can we use the clone stamp tool. You can see here I have this photo right here. I've taken this from unsplash.com. You can see the photo here of boat. I want to duplicate it, and you can duplicate it with the help of clone stamp tool. The meaning of the clone is to make the duplicate or repeat. For example, you take the clone of animals or humans too. So today I'm going to duplicate this boat. From here you can see I have this clone stamp tool right here. The shortcut key is S. So from here you can adjust its size. I'm taking its size to this. Guys, from here simply press Alt and define the source by pressing click. And now I'm going to make a new layer. You have to do the work on the new layer. I want to place this boat right here, so I'm clicking here. You can see if I hide this original layer, you can see this layer. Now I'm erasing its extra part. So you can see I have this eraser right here, and I'm taking the soft eraser. Let's erase this part like this. Guys, now I want to decrease its size, so I'm pressing Ctrl T, and by clicking on its corners I'm simply decreasing its size by pressing enter. So with the help of razor I'm also cleaning its more part from here like this. Let's increase its size a bit like this. Guys, you can see like this you can duplicate any of the image and give your images a very best look. For now I'm deleting this layer because I don't want to duplicate. Now I will show you how you can erase any of the part in your image which you don't want. So if you don't want this boat from here, I will show you how you can erase. I'm deleting this original layer, and now I'm taking a new layer from here. Let's take the clone stamp tool, and I want to define the source. From here simply I'm taking this source. I'm selecting this layer first. I'm taking this source from here. Guys, first of all you have to decrease its size. So by pressing Alt button you can define the source, and I will work on this layer 1. Start working with the help of your mouse like this. Don't release your mouse. Now I want to fill this. I'm going on the original layer and I'm defining its source from here. Let's go on the layer 1 and guys, you can see the boat is removed like this. You can remove any of your unwanted part, and you can adjust your fillings like this. You can also do a more working here too like this. And so guys, hope you have learned that how to duplicate or erase any of your unwanted part from the photo. So this is all for today. I will come back tomorrow with the second part. This is artist Rabia signing off. Okay, Allah Hafiz.